guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Today's Sunday. Me and Twinny have a twin date. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. Starving. We're going out to lunch and we're gonna have sushi, and then we're gonna do like some light shopping afterwards. What? Come here. Sorry, Remy is very chatty today. Tomorrow I actually have a hair appointment to finally get my hair done because it's been a minute, and I also need to get my nails done. Okay, so I feel like now that I have the convenience of having this nail shop around the corner, I'm procrastinating more than I normally would if I was still going to the place I used to go. So yeah, these are the nails that I got in the beginning of February. I mean, they last really long, you know? I mean, my nails do grow really fast, so like, you could tell there's a separation there. So I'm gonna actually try to get in some time tomorrow to get my nails done. If I can't do it tomorrow, I'll probably do it on Tuesday, but I definitely need to get these done bad. And I don't really think I have anything else really planned this week. It's kind of just like a kind of chill week again. And it'll probably be like that for a while, I'm not gonna lie. With like this whole war thing going on, and obviously I'm not trying to make light of the situation. This is obviously very serious indeed, but in light of all of this going on, I'm trying not to travel outside of the US just because I don't want to get stranded. And there's a lot of uncertainty, and I don't want to book a trip and then everything gets canceled, or I go to the destination I'm planning to go to, then I'm stuck there because the flights home got canceled, XYZ. Like, there's just a lot of things going on. So I will be keeping my behind in New York. If not in New York, I'll try to like bump over to another state. I do want to go to California. I haven't been there in a while. So yeah, I'll be stateside for a while until like things kind of calm down. Hopefully they calm down soon, but who knows? Yeah, it's very strange times. And obviously, again, this is not to make light of anybody's situation. I understand everything that's happening right now, and the world is very serious, and I'm not making light of it. All right, so let me stop rambling. I'm fully dressed, and today is a comfy day because I'm trying to eat as much sushi as I possibly can, okay? And I'm low-key thinking about bringing like a little container so I can stuff some in my bag, because it's like a all-you-can-eat sushi place, but if you don't finish the rolls, then you have to pay full price for each roll kind of thing. And I'll just be like, of course, cooking, doing some like shopping, showing you guys some of my new hobbies that I've just recently gotten back into, like the scrapbooking. I might be obsessed. But I also need to be careful because I can see like I'll be wanting to buy a whole bunch of things, thinking like, oh, I want to put all of this here, this, I need this, I need that, and you don't need all of that, you know? I was like, I don't know. I'm just excited about it, so I feel like I'm super excited about something that I'm doing new or whatever the case may be. I get hyper obsessed with it. Like, this is the only thing I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to stay home and scrapbook and play video games. That's it. And cook. That's literally it. All right, let me shut up. I've been chatting for a minute. Let's out. Guys, we are full. Well, Vonna probably is okay. I am very full.
Ginger ale got me, but I feel great.
Yeah, the ginger ale, the countless bites of rice. Ooh, what happened?
The tasty eel.
The eel.
The best eel. I'm gonna take a piece of this gumbo.
Help yourself.
Thank you, Dollface.
All right, guys. Off to the shops. Oh my God, I feel a lot of food, baby. In a second, bud. Get 20. In a second, Tisha. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later. Oh my gosh, it's 5:15. Time went ahead today or last night, whatever time, and it's been throwing me for a loop all day. I literally thought it was 12 o'clock earlier, and I got outside. It was like 2 something. So I did a thing that I said I wasn't going to do. It's worth it. I don't care. It smells too good. I went there again just to smell it again and make sure it was something I really wanted and determined I did want it. So I got this size. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this was very expensive. This little bit of perfume was only was $200. Like I mentioned before, it's a luxury brand. Those are the prices. Also, we went back over to the Asian market, and I guess I didn't see this the first time in there because I was so overwhelmed. But look. So now I get to make that banging AF beef dish I was telling you guys about. I have to still get like Napa cabbage because I don't have that. So I'll just throw that in the freezer for now until I get that. I also stopped in Ulta, got some hair products. Like I mentioned, I'll be getting my hair done tomorrow, so I got a Sacred hair mask kit. Then I just got topped up on the shampoo, the clarifying shampoo, the hydrating shampoo, and the conditioner, so I don't have any more. And then I just got a bunch of fresh produce and things, which I'm pretty sure I shared when I shared my cart with you guys when I was in Whole Foods. So I'm gonna put everything away, and I'm gonna be doing much of anything today. It's nice outside though. There's a lot of people outside. I'm looking thinking I should go back outside. I'm almost tempted to pull my bike out, low key. So yeah, I'm gonna pull all this stuff away and change it to something comfy because I think I'm gonna play just county a little bit for a little bit. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, Monday morning. I wanted to show you this. I meant to mention it yesterday, but I totally forgot. These are live action translation buds. They obviously use AI, unfortunately, but yeah, apparently they work really well. I saw this on Instagram and I decided to order it because I travel so much and often to places where I'm not very fluent in the language. So I decided to get a pair because I want to test them out on my next travel trip. Let me open this. This is the kayak color. I haven't tried them out yet, but I'll test them out and let you guys know how they work. Hi guys. Woo! I have not talked to y'all all day. It's almost 7 p.m. I just got out of the hair salon, just got my hair done. Got a haircut actually because the poor ends. It was fried. So I'm about to go head over to 605 Smash because I want to get a burger for dinner. And then I'll just head straight home from there. It has been a very busy day. I apologize in advance because I did not film that much because I just had a lot going on today. But it's fine, right? I'll make sure to pick up the camera tomorrow. Okay, let's go eat. Hey guys, just got home. Oh my gosh, it's 7:30. But this little fast forwarding time, it's going fast. It's going very fast. I feel like I wasn't even outside that long, but apparently I was outside that long. So I got a smash cheeseburger from 605 Smash, crispy fries, and I got a side of the secret sauce, which is literally just their version of mac sauce. A little tangier though. I'm starving. Hold up. Let me get a bite. That is so good. I love the burgers. I love a good smash burger. Honestly, truly. I just don't like their prices. But This is probably one of my favorite smash burger places where I live. There's another spot. There's two other places actually, but I think this one tastes the best compared to the others. This one is just a more pricier version. Mm. Good afternoon. I've done it again. So sorry. I woke up this morning at like 7 o'clock and went on a cleaning spree. So I have a bunch of bags of things I need to get rid of scattered across this apartment. And it is 12:30 now. So I think it's time for a little breaky break, you know, grab something to eat. You want to say hi? Yeah, take a little breaky break. Grab something to eat. Remy, now is the time you want me to pet you? Really? Okay, yeah. So I need to like take a little break, grab something to eat because I'm feeling like I'm about to pass out because I'm starving. Yeah. So I have plans to go get my nails done, but it kind of got derailed. So like I said I was up at like 8 o'clock, cleaning and stuff. I decided to wash a load of clothes and the washer machine decided to what's the word? Detain my clothing. Remy, oh God. Yeah, I'm not even kidding you. There was not even a lot of stuff in this washing machine, like at all. It was probably like half full, and the heaviest thing in there was probably like a one pair of sweatpants. For some reason, it kept saying it was off balance, and it literally just kept spinning at the 6-minute mark for like 30 minutes. So that obviously kind of derailed the amount of time it was supposed to take to do that, because that's normally like a little hour and a half out of my day. And it's been like 3 hours. I had to like call maintenance, I had to come and turn the freaking thing off, reset it. It was still locked. Like it just was a whole ordeal. I'm actually really annoyed. So right now I'm gonna just make breakfast. And I'll come back a little bit later when I'm meal prepping for the work week and I'll show you some of the recipes I've prepared. See you later. Y'all, it is many hours later. I finished cleaning up. I had my breakfast. I'm finally trying this damn sumo orange. It's good, y'all. I'm gonna have to go back and buy more. These are mad good. I'm mad I only got one. So for meal prep for work this week, one of the first meals I have in the oven, I just did a sheet pan of roasted veg and the honey Dijon chicken I always get from Whole Foods. The veggies are just broccoli and onions, and I just toss it in olive oil and some minced dashes, chicken seasoning. This is not good. I cannot get over how good this is. What? I got more. Okay, so here's the rest of the meal prep bowls. This is just ground beef. This is lean ground beef with onions, corn, tomatoes, and there's broccoli underneath. I'm also gonna add a little bit of cheese and some microgreens, but I'm not gonna add those on while it's hot. I'll add those on like the day I'm gonna like actually eat the meal type thing. So this is the rest of the meal prep for the week.